So we have the factorial problem, and as we all know from algebra, factorial, like let's say 5 factorial, is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that's exactly what we need to get our program to do in a loop. So we're going to have a loop, and the loop is going to go from, let's say, 0 up to 6. So then this loop is going to iterate 5 times. It's going to be 0, 1. No, it's going to iterate 6 times. It's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 6. So every iteration, I guess we could start this guy at 1. The idea is that we want to use the I variable as this multiplying number. So the first iteration of the loop, I will be equal to 1, then I will be equal to 2, then I will be equal to 3, then I will be equal to 4, and I will be equal to 5, and then the loop will break and we'll have our factorial. So how should this go? Well, inside of the loop we need to do the math, and the math would be, let's say, var fact is equal to 1 outside of the loop. And inside we're going to use fact as a counting variable, so we're going to say fact is equal to fact times I. So how is this going to work out? Well, the first time in, I is going to be equal to 1, and fact is going to be equal to 1, right? And the first time in, it's going to be 1 times 1 is 1, so fact is going to be equal to 1. And then the second time in, it's going to be 1 times 2, so fact is going to be equal to 2. And then the third time in, it's going to be fact, which is 2 times 3, so that's 6. And then the next time it's going to be 6 times 4, which is 24. And then it's going to come back in, and it's going to be 24 times 5. So that's 120. And that is 5 factorial. So this is kind of an explanation of how that would go.